Exercise is called the bird dog. It is the most advanced. This one strengthens your shoulders, glutes, and core. It works for balance and coordination. For this one, you pull out your opposite leg and arm and bring them in while contracting your core, and bring them back out. And you do it on the other end. Do this about 12 to 15 times. And if you want to make this harder, you can bring it in all the way while contracting your core and bring it back out. Would you like to try this? You can do it. How does that feel?
Good.
Remember to breathe. Good job.